In this video we will learn how to create new asset request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Asset module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Asset Request Form. Click on the Apply for New Asset button. Select the employee from drop-down. Define the asset title for request. Select the required asset category and type from drop-downs. Enter a description for asset request. Click on Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.